Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, the keypad, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the code which is probably the most known, and the code is *pound or £6. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is, in my personal opinion, the most interesting one. And the code is *pound or £pound. And as you can see, we are in the testing mode. So here you can check basically all of the components of your device, if they are working perfectly fine. So you can have fun at the same time and check your device. So for example, let me show you this red option. After tapping on it, your device will display the red color all across the screen, and trust me that it is a red color, because I can see on the preview in the camera that it looks like orange color, but no, it is red. And basically you have to check if you can see any missing spots, so for example white dots or dark dots. And if you cannot, if you can see the red all across the screen without any missing spots, it means that the screen in your device is working perfectly fine, so that your device displays the colors in a proper way, let's say. The same situation with the green, so if you cannot see any spots, then it works fine, and the blue one. So I highly recommend to stay here to have fun. What's more, you can check the touch, for example, and as you can see here, we have to draw the line all across those rectangles or squares. And if you can see the green color which will appear after drawing a line, it means that this part of the screen is working, that it can feel and catch your touch. So as you can see, you have to draw the lines and check everything. So that's really quite a cool option. I highly recommend to stay here and simply have fun, and at the same time check your device. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, you will have to double tap on the back button or just double the gesture, as you can see. Alright, so let me show you another code which will open the battery status, and the code is *pound or £8. And as I said, we are in the battery status, so here, for example, we can check the voltage, the level block, or the level. And now let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings, and the code is *pound or £808. And as I said, we are in the USB settings. Here we've got two different modes from which we can choose. So if you'd like to change the mode from MTP to the another one, just tap on it and tap on OK. After tapping on reboot, your device will simply be restarted. So let me get back and let me show you how to open the firmware version, and the code for it is probably the easiest one, the easiest to remember. So it is *pound 1234 £. And as I said, we are in the version, so here we can check the APCP or the model of this device. Let's get back and let me show you another code which is connected with the firmware version, but with the advanced mode, let's say. So the code is *pound 2663 £. And as I said, we are in the firmware version, so here we've got, for example, the developers info, we've got the Wi-Fi version, we can refresh it, and the Bluetooth version. Let's get back and let me show you the last code which will open the service mode, and the code for it is *pound 0011 £. And as I said, we are in the service mode. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.